what? Community quarantine, self-quarantine, and all the quarantine in the world. High vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin, all of the vitamins. So, of course, the sweet potato, mate. I always have this. So, sweet potato, it's very, very nutritious food. It's on the top of the list of the high nutritious food. This is high in vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, good for the body. To fight coronavirus, you need to, first of all, you need to be healthy. Yourself, you need to be very, very healthy. Because the people who get affected with coronavirus is just people who get sick easily. They get sick easily because they're not that healthy enough. Their immune system is weak. I have the thanks to Samyang, raise your hands. You want me to eat this and vlog this? It's very, very spicy. I have this before, but I was looking for times 100. I want the very, very spicy one. Times 2 is also spicy. I will vlog with me. I'm eating them. Tomato and the onions. Anybody can relate the lintoy? Raise your hands. Tamarain, Maria, Anaru. Lintoy, sinong taga-bundok dyan? Please like, subscribe to my channel. Bye! Be safe, guys. Be safe. Continue praying. Nangangala yung kamay ko.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. I just want to show you guys about the self-quarantine, about the community quarantine, mass quarantine, what you can do to your home, what type of food you should stock. You should have all these nutritious food so that your body is very intact of nutritious food, so that the virus will not gonna attack you because of your immune system is very, very healthy. Be safe, guys. I love you all. I will pray for you all. Love you, love you, love you. Mwah!
Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. Yay! Happy naman dyan. Okay, my video will be titled community quarantine, self-quarantine, and all the quarantine in the world. Guys, it's not easy now. It's been going on. The virus is all over the world, all over this planet and the other planet. Sana pupunta na ng ibang planet yung na yan, virus na yan. Okay guys, I'm going to vlog. I just woke up maybe 10 minutes ago, and now it's morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So this is my face. My face is always been like that when I woke up, when I go out. This is this thing. But some other people say that the thumbnail in the singing Kenny Rogers song, they said I look different over there. Like I look like Mama Mary. I'm in the dark. When I was took picture of that, when I was singing outside in a very, very dark place. So I am more beautiful in the dark. So patayin ko na lang lahat ilaw dito. No, why am I laughing? It's not funny, right? It's coronavirus. So I will vlog my food for a week. So because the president and all the pamunuang bayan or all the tawag yun, the local community, the leader, the barangay, and everything. They said stay at home, self-quarantine, community quarantine, mass quarantine. You don't have to go socialize. You don't have to meet your friends. You don't have to go have some meeting and everything. So, I'm going to vlog for a week that I will going to eat. I will stay at home 1 week. I just woke up. My hair is like this. When I woke up, my hair is more curly. I was dreaming last night about YouTube. My God, am I insane? I was dreaming last night about YouTube. What's going on with the YouTube? YouTube. Okay. This is my food for a week. Is this enough for me? It is so many, right? Okay. My God, I don't like my fries. I'm wearing. I just woke up. You can see my eyes. Okay, I have it here. You want to see my face when I'm vlogging? Raise your hands and feet. This is the Lids Kamuti Tops. Kamuti Tops Lids. High in blood. So much nutrients, right? It's Kamuti Tops by. It's good for the blood circulation, good for the beauty. It's high in, packed full of nutrients and minerals, right? High in fiber. So this one, as usual, I always have this. The Saba banana. This is green last night. Actually, I bought this yesterday and I went home at night because I just pick so much. I bought this yesterday afternoon. I bought this green because I want to eat them green. La gulang ba? Samarin. Gulang ba nga anaro, Maria? Gulang nga saging akong dipalit kay gusto ko. I want to cook them, the green one, and then dip in the stinky fermented fish. But what happened? It's just like how many hours, all night long, it become yellow. I want green. You know, I'm green. And then, another banana, the lakatan. Banana, so I will discuss all the nutrients each. My God, it will take forever. Banana is high in potassium, full pack of nutrients and minerals for your beauty and brain, for your health, because it is a coronavirus rapidly going spread all over the world. It's so crazy now. The Philippines is get crazier. So you need to eat a lot of bananas. Bananas every day. I eat banana every day. It's for the body. Potassium, high in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin, all of the vitamins. So of course, the sweet potato, mate. I always have this. Even no coronavirus. No coronavirus before, I always have this every week. Right? When I vlog about eating the mukbang, I eat them the entire week. I have like 2 kilos of them, and also the banana. So sweet potato, it's very, very nutritious food. It's on the top of the list of the high nutritious food. This is high in vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, good for the body. To fight coronavirus, you need to, first of all, you need to be healthy. Yourself, you need to be very, very healthy. Because the people who get affected with coronavirus is just people who get sick easily. They get sick easily because they're not that healthy enough. Their immune system is weak. they're like, maybe they're just like a type of person that gets sick easily. In like normal thing, like if there's no coronavirus, like you get sick easily with the flu, cold, like that, something like that. So those people also will get affected with the coronavirus easily, right? So for now, you need to eat full of nutritious food. This is not my favorite, not really my favorite, the canned goods and the noodles, but I just bought them because this type of food, when you're in crisis, when in your crisis na, so this food will last long. So this can last like how many months, right? So you need to, when it comes to crisis na, you need to have them in case you're hungry, because these fruits and vegetables, it will last just maybe 4 days to 1 week. This is good for 1 week for me, but this is in case if when I come back to the market after a week, there's no vegetables and fruit anymore. So this is just in case of emergency. But this is not the favorite food I have. So I have it! You know, kainito guys! This is my favorite, guys! Vlog them, I didn't upload yet. Kainito star apple. When you cut them, it's very creamy inside. And there's a seed, the black seed inside. We have a lot of like this when I grow up in the province, and I climb in the trees and eating this, and kinulata ako ng mama ko, binugbog ako, basta alam mo yan, aywan ko saan na siya. Tapos, it's kainito, it's very nutritious. When you cut them, it's very creamy inside, and it seems like there's a milky creamalicious inside, alright? I love kainito, guys. It's one of my favorite together with the jackfruit, right? I have it here. The guava is also high in nutrients, guys. This is so very delicious and nutritious food. The guava also is high in nutrients. The orange, of course, packed full of vitamin C, right? You need this when the coronavirus is going on, guys, alright? And I have it a cucumber. Okay, no, I cannot pronounce the cucumber. Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. I'm vlogging about my food for a week because I'm going to quarantine myself. It's a quarantine, community quarantine. No need to go out for a week, for a month, or forever. So I have it cucumber. This is so many, so I can eat them one each day. And I have it here, the carrots. I will cook maybe a pancit. And I have here the cabbage. And of course, the rice, brown rice. And the eggs. Eggs is very high in protein, full of nutrients. What's the full pack? Oy, kasi baka relate kan. I have it here, all the lamas, tomato, and the onions. Anybody can relate the lintoy? Raise your hands. Tamarain, Maria, Anaru. Lintoy, sinong taga-bundok dyan? Sky Tooth, I want to shout out to you, my baby. I have it here, the noodles. Not really my favorite thing, but you have to prepare them in case you're hungry. Then I will run out all the vegetables. I have the thanks to Samyang. Raise your hands. You want me to eat this and vlog this? It's very, very spicy. I have this before, but I was looking for times 100. I want the very, very spicy one. Times 2 is also spicy. I will vlog them when I'm eating them. Okay. I have it here, the luncheon meat. And I have to vlog them all. This is a canned goods, but this is also nutritious because it's a fish. It's a bangus. It's high in omega-3, right? Do I have to memorize all the nutritious? And the tuna, of course, fish is a high in omega-3 and all the nutrients I have it here, the coco crunch I have it here, the pancit, and all the vitamins, high in iron, vitamin E, vitamin C, alcohol, all empty. And I have the mask, which is the few left over. That's all, guys. Oh my god, I'm getting tired. My hands. Bye. Please like, subscribe. If you like it or not. If this healthy enough or not. My face is freaking alloy. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Be safe, guys. Be safe. Continue praying. Nangangala yung kamay ko. Naku. Be safe. Take care. Don't go out. Stay at home. Okay? Wash your hands frequently. Yes, charot. Frequently. Bakit ganyan ang mukha ko? Wash your hands. And please stay at home when you don't need anything outside. You're only going outside when you buy some important things. Go out once a week, buy a lot of supplies for a week, and then you don't have to go out every day or every other day. Avoid eating in a restaurant, avoid mingle with people, avoid going in the public that there's a lot of people. That's a community quarantine. Community quarantine is self-quarantine. You have to stay at home. You're only going out when it's really, really needed, okay? So that's why I am vlogging. That's why I am vlogging with my supplies for a week. Is that nutritious enough, guys? Anybody, my friends there? Shout out to Belia Luz. Ay, God, makalimutan ko na naman i-shout out yung VFX ko. Will, Maria, are you okay there? Ate Ann, Diane, are you okay over there in abroad? Shirley! Sis, thank you. Nagawa ka ng account para i-subscribe ako para supportahan ko. Hindi nangangalay ako. Ay, sakit ng kamay ko. Kasi I just woke up. I don't even have a breakfast or coffee yet. And what else? I have to shout Summer Rain. Summer Rain, girl. I love you so much. Irene Nicer, Anaru, Chef Harris, Teria, Kyle Walls. Bart Bartolomino, Bart Mangyaw. Grain. Ray Glenn pala din ako. Ingat ka dyan, bro. Madami dyan. Lahat. Hindi ko na mabanggit lahat. Basta, mag-ingat kayo all. God bless you. Be safe. Be safe, guys. I am praying for the world. My family. My sisters. My sisters kay Tut. Amping kadiha. And sini. Jingoy. Randy. Michelle. Ingat kayo dyan, mga family ko. Bye!
So, sa kapanahonang ito, guys, dapat tayong mag-stock ng mga ganitong klaseng pagkain. Pangmahirap lang ito, pero napaka-healthy nito. Ito po yung mga type ko na pagkain. Ito po yung kinakain ko sa bundok. So, I show you guys that this type of food can help you boost your immune system. All these vegetables and fruits. So guys, be safe. Let's pray to the world. Let's pray that all these virus will go to the other planets in the Pluto, the Mars, and the Jupiter. Lord, please help us. Lord, please give us back the normal life. I am very sad about what happened to the world. Please pray, pray. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Be safe, guys. I love you all, my friends and YouTube, my family and friends. Bye.